Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to create a UNIX timestamp and convert it with a date-time formula. A UNIX timestamp is the number of seconds that have elapsed since the 1st of January 1970. This single number can be converted into various date formats in Excel, and is therefore useful for storing dates in a database. In this video, we'll show you how to get the current UNIX timestamp, and then convert it to a long-form date. To start, make a table that has at least 2 columns. One for your UNIX timestamp, and one for the date and time conversion. Next, select a cell where you want the UNIX timestamp to appear. We'll use H1. Now head up to the ribbon and add a background color. And then add borders to the cell. To make this work, you can use a formula, or an Office script. We'll use an Office script so we can easily refresh the timestamp. Head up to Automate in the top menu. Then click New Script in the ribbon, and the script editor will appear on the right side of the window. Next, check the video description for a copy of the Office script. Once you've copied it, head back to Excel, and paste it into the script editor. Before you continue, make sure you change H1 to wherever you want the timestamp to appear. Now click the script name, and rename it to whatever you like. Then hit Enter to save. To make the refresh button, click the 3 dots in the code editor. Then select Add in Workbook from the drop-down list. Before adding the button, you could first select the cell that you want it to appear in. However, you can also right-click the button, and then drag it to wherever you like. You can also resize the button by dragging the sides. And even change the text and style to your preference. When we click the button, the current UNIX timestamp is generated in the H1 cell. We can now copy the timestamp and paste it into the UNIX column. We're going to add some more timestamps to demonstrate how it might appear in a working table. Now we need a formula to convert the UNIX timestamp into our preferred date and time format. If you want to change the date format, edit the text within the quotation marks. Check the description for a full list of formats. You can also change the cell in the formula to match where the first UNIX timestamp is located in your worksheet. When you're done, copy the formula, and paste it into the first cell in the date and time column. Then press Enter. Perfect. We've now converted the UNIX timestamp to a long-form date and time. But if you also want to include the weekday, we can click back into the formula. And then add 4 Ds after the first quotation mark, followed by a comma, and a space. Press Enter again, and you'll see the weekday is included in the date and time column. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.